Hi everyone, today we're exploring the DIY Miniature Dollhouse Kit, a charming tiny house craft project. This kit features a 3D puzzle design that requires patience and creativity to assemble and decorate. All furniture and accessories mimic real household items, making the experience immersive and fun. Made from high-quality, safe wood, every piece fits perfectly for a smooth build. It's a perfect gift for anyone who loves model kits or unique home decorations. Keep in mind, this kit contains small parts and is not suitable for children under 3 years old. Enjoy creating your own miniature street view bookstore with this detailed and delightful kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.